Hey guys, Clocky coming from you live from the internet. Amazing, right? So, and the box I'm going to be unboxing today is the Pokemon Evolutions Elite Trainer Box Charizard. I just managed to get it, and so far I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, pretty happy with it. Lighting issues, great. So, we're going to get right into it and see how it goes. Just put that there. So, let's do a review of what we got here. We got a box covered here. It has some art inside. All the Pokemon from the set. That's pretty good. So, hang that up somewhere. Looks pretty cool. Then we got our player's guide. Just comes with information on the trainer box, card combos, and breaks. And it comes with a list of the whole collection of how it should be. All the way from 1 to 108, so you get extra 5 at the end because of those secret rares. So that's the book. Let's get into the bread and butter. So we got the box. So open it up. Pretty sturdy. I don't like that there's that edge right there, so if you're storing Pokemon cards in here, please be careful with storing them, because it will nick them and it will damage them. So just a caution and warning. Take that out. Code card. Packs. We got these pretty neat dividers. Pretty nice, pretty sturdy. Not flimsy, some of the ones that I've had. You get deck protectors, which we'll probably use today, considering that I don't have any extras laying around for any rares that we're gonna get. So hopefully we get some today. There, and then you get some energy. Plastic bag. All of the just normal, well, not normal, but all the energy for this. But it has the old art look, which I think is awesome to have. So we'll put those right there. And you also get these counters for putting on your Pokemon while playing for certain things. And you get some dice. Some really nice dice that have the symbol for the set. Alright, put everything off to the side. Garbage. Close this box up. Put it right there so it looks pretty. And then we got, boom, 8 packs. So we're gonna go from my least favorite to favorite. Get hyped. Charizard's best. Venusaur's meh. Raichu. Awesome. So we're gonna start in this order. So let's see what we get from Raichu. Pull that out of the way. What we get is the Venusaur Spirit Link, Magmar, Potion, Fire Energy, Vulpix, Tangela, Machop, Weedle, Holographic Coughing, nice, and our rare is Mew. Whoa! Look at that. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Oh, look at that. That is nice. Wow. And I didn't even get this card yet for my collection, so that's awesome. That's one down. That is one down. This is already a good box just from getting that for my collection. That is awesome. So I'll open up the second Raichu. Raichu's not that bad then. No, he's a pretty chill dude. Pretty chill. So toss this out of the way. Go 1, 2, 3. So we got double normal energy, Charizard Spirit Link, Metapod, Charmander, Frittata, Diglett, Ghastly, Caterpie, ooh, Pokedex, Shiny, and our rare, Speedro. Let's put all those over there. That's good. Alright, moving on to Venusaur now. We'll get from this guy. Alright. So we got a Super Potion. Choke. Venusaur Spirit Link. Diglett. Charmander. Voltorb, Fire Energy, Vulpix, Shiny Nidoran, and our rare is Dodrio. Another So we got a Kakuna, Pokedex, Porygon, Ponyta, Pikachu, Poliwag, Caterpie, Diglett, Trainer card Venusaur Spirit Link, and our rare is a Chansey. Nice. I got that one already, but that's nice. Still, nonetheless. So, we got Trainer card, or Energy Retrieval. We got Venusaur Spirit Link, Charmeleon, Ghastly, Caterpie, Electric Energy, Magikarp, Seal, Drowsy, Holographic, and a rare is oh, Full Art Mewtwo EX Ultra Rare. Man, I don't have this one yet either. That's awesome. So we got the Mew and Mewtwo system going on here. Conspiracy. Oh, that's awesome. So now we're starting in the Charizards. Hopefully Charizard doesn't let me down. Hopefully he does not let me down. 2, 3. So we got a Kakuna, a Coughing, a Choke, Caterpie, Electric Energy, Magikarp, Seal, Poliwag, Holographic Pikachu, and our rare Dugong. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So we got Poliwhirl, Maintenance Trainer card, Potion Trainer card, Fairy Energy, Onyx, Staryu, Doodoo, Weedle, Holographic Charmeleon, that one yet, and a rare, the Farfetch'd. Last pack. Last pack. So, we got a Kakuna, a Koffing, Machoke, Magikarp, Drowsy, Caterpie, Ghastly, Diglett, Ninetales, nice, holographic border, and our rare, it's just an Arcanine, awesome, nonetheless. So, let's have a look at our rares, at least, that we got from this. Ninetales is considered. So, we got a Ninetales, we got Mewtwo, EX, Full Art, Ultra Rare, we got Mew, and we got Chansey. Not bad. Only got 4 out of this one. 4 out of 8, that's 50%. That's good nonetheless. That's good nonetheless. I'm happy with that. I'm proud with that. So, seeing that I only got 4 for that one, here is some free code cards. Focus, we got that one. Got that one. Got focus, that one. And we got that one. Well, that was a good unboxing. If you guys like that, please subscribe to the channel, follow my Twitter. I'm always giving away code cards randomly. Random. I've had people tweet what they got. If you want to tweet, great. Use the hashtag PokemonRocks and show me what you get for your free code cards that I gave you. And leave a comment, like. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna have fun putting these away. So, Clocky out.